I recently performed routine maintenance on a 2004 Acura MDX in anticipation of the customer's extended weekend drive. Upon inspecting the vehicle, I observed that the timing belt was severely worn and nearing failure. During the timing belt replacement process, a bolt on the timing belt tensioner unexpectedly broke, requiring its removal and the installation of a new tensioner.
What?
Despite 2 unsuccessful attempts to remove the broken bolt, using welding techniques on a 10mm nut, I ultimately succeeded in removing the broken bolt on my 3rd welding attempt. Thus avoiding the need to drill the bolt and apply a helicoil thread. This successful outcome was a welcome result.